Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga hashtag walang pasok. Ito po, naglabas po ang President ng Proclamation number 1072 declaring Tuesday, November 11, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Lake Cebu, province of South Cotabato. Ito ay dahil sa November 11, 2025, Martes po yan na araw. The municipality of Lake Cebu, province of South Cotabato, will mark the celebration of its 43rd founding anniversary. Happy anniversary dyan sa mga taga Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. Ito pa, Proclamation number 1071 declaring Monday, November 11, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Eastern Samar. No, not municipality, sorry po. In the province of Eastern Samar. Wow! Buong probinsya, walang pasok. Ito ay dahil the province of Eastern Samar will mark the celebration of its 68th founding anniversary on November 9, 2025. Whereas to enable the people of the province of Eastern Samar to fully participate in the occasion, the Office of the Governor requested that November 10, 2025, Monday, be declared as a special non-working day in lieu of November 9, 2025. So, ginawa nilang November 10, Sabi dito, it is but fitting and proper that the people of the province of Eastern Samar be given full opportunity to participate in the occasion and enjoy the participation. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa mga taga Eastern Samar, probensya ni Boy Abonda. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye!